To the Idaho College murders trial, the judge making several major decisions yesterday about critical evidence that could impact the suspect's defense. Kana Whitworth is there in Boise for us. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, Michael, good morning. You can really start to see how this summer's trial is taking shape with these early rulings. The judge will allow the 3D model of the home, but also sided with the defense, excluding the words sociopath and psychopath from trial. But on some of those more contentious issues, we're waiting on written rulings.
This morning, the judge in the Idaho College murder case weighing critical decisions on evidence that will shape the August trial.
Make no mistake, these murders, whoever committed them, were brutal and were horrific. And so I suspect that the evidence will reflect that.
Kohberger sitting in court during a 6-hour-long hearing Wednesday. The prosecution and defense going head-to-head over everything from what prosecutors say is the defendant's Amazon search history to witness testimony, DNA evidence, and the suspect's possible alibi. Bryan Kohberger is facing charges for the 2022 murders of Kaylee Goncalves, Madison Mogen, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin in an off-campus home. His lawyers say he's innocent. But prosecutors say the defendant purchased a K-bar style knife like this one from Amazon, along with a sharpener and a sheath. And they say his Amazon search history will reflect that. But the defense says everyone in the Kohberger family had access to that account.
It's misleading that the way that you just portray it, that because there is a purchase in a household account, that is automatically attributable to him, and that there's somehow
a purchase
intent.
in a household account. It's attributable under his particular name in the account, as I understand it. Now, could somebody else in the family get to it? I don't know. I suppose your expert will tell us that.
The judge said he will allow click experts to testify on behalf of the prosecution who say Kohberger's DNA was found on that knife sheath. The judge also signaled he will allow much of the 911 call made by the two surviving roommates to be played in court.
Do you think that the surviving roommates were under the stress of the immediate events?
And while the prosecution plans to call a member of Kohberger's family to testify, the judge saying that doesn't exclude his other family members from sitting behind the defendant during trial. A reality the parents of Kaylee Goncalves are preparing for.
His family being there, yeah, that's a hard pill to swallow.
We're waiting for a written ruling from the judge about what Kohberger's defense team calls his autism spectrum disorder. They say that it could be problematic for him to testify because of it, and it also lays the groundwork for them to try to get the death penalty taken off the table. Guys.
All right, Kana, thank you.